Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll be showing you how to prepare this delicious fried beans. Guys, these fried beans tasted so nice, so delicious that everyone in my family loved it. They said it's like fried rice. So guys, I started by boiling the beans. That is what I always do whenever I'm cooking beans. I always allow water to boil before cooking the beans until it comes to boil, and I wash the beans, and this helps in removing whatever chemical they must have used in preserving the beans. So I proceeded to cooking the beans, and while cooking the beans, when the beans started boiling, I added in some seasoning cubes. I added salt and some chopped onions. This was just to give the beans a taste. Then these are some of the vegetables which I'll be using in preparing. Then I used some chicken parts in cooking this fried beans. I used soft part of the chicken without bones. So I went on to spice up this chicken. I used some soy sauce, seasoning cubes, some chicken cubes. I used the garlic and ginger water with salt, of course, to taste. So I had to marinate for about 15 minutes because there was no much time for me to start waiting for hours for the chicken to marinate. So these are my chopped vegetables. And so when the beans was done, if you look guys, I didn't cook the beans till all the water is out. I didn't cook out all the water. I had to allow the beans to be moist, very moist. So after that, I using some cooking butter, margarine, I had to fry the chicken. So I fried the chicken until the chicken was golden brown. So after that, I used part of the oil, butter, oil, the oil I used in frying the chicken, I used that to fry the vegetables. So I started by frying the onions, the chopped onions, the pepper, garlic, ginger. Then I went on to add the fresh pepper, the fresh tomatoes. After that, I was not really doing this in any other guys. So because all the vegetables, although the tomato needed some little more frying, so I also added the chicken, the fried chicken, the bell peppers. I added seasoning cubes, and remembering at this point, remember you've already added the salt and cubes seasoning to your beans, so you have to be careful at this point not to over add salt to the beans, to the vegetable which you fry the beans. So after that, I went on to add the beans. I did that in batches. So I had to fry the beans in batches until all the beans I cooked were exhausted. So you have to add in salt according to your own taste, but bear in mind you've added salt in so many places, like seasoning the chicken and cooking the beans, so that the sauce, the vegetables will not be too salty when you add in the beans. So guys, if you like the video, please give the video a huge thumbs up, share the video with your friends and family, and also if you've not subscribed to my channel, please go on right now and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and become part of my family on YouTube. I would really appreciate that, guys. And turn on the bell icon beside the subscribe button so you don't get to miss any of my cooking episodes. So after I've added the beans and patches, guys, the food was served and it was dinner for my family. They really enjoyed it, and I hope you try this at home and give me a feedback on the outcome, how yours turned out. I would really appreciate to hear from you guys in the comment section. And also, guys, I will leave in the description box below all the ingredients. I will list all the ingredients out in the description box and the quantity in which I used them. So thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video soon. Bye.